When plans shift, does your stomach drop? Meet Alex. One text, meeting moved, and panic hits before logic. Here's why change is extra tough and tools that actually help. First, the why. Autistic brains often thrive on patterns. Change removes anchors, spiking uncertainty and anxiety. Add sensory load, lights, noise, crowds, and there's less bandwidth to adapt. Uncertainty activates the alarm system. What happens now? That alarm feels physical. Good news, skills reduce the spike. You can practice these today. We'll cover 5. Plan ahead, breathe, ground, adjust the environment, and communicate needs. Try box breathing. In 4. Hold 4. Out 4. Hold 4. Repeat twice. Create a Plan B kit. Headphones, fidget, water, snack, a quiet exit, and a backup activity. Scripts help. Change is hard for me. Can we choose a new time? Written steps help me adapt. Name 5 things you see. 4, the things you can feel. 3, what you hear. 2, what you smell. 1, and what you taste. Anchor to the current present. Dim the lights, reduce the noise, face away from traffic, and use sunglasses or a hat. Small tweaks can give big relief. Allies, lower volume, fewer questions, stand to the side, offer choices, now or later. Quiet room or outside. Change is hard because predictability and bandwidth matter. Your plan, breathe, ground, adjust, and communicate, brings control back. You've got this, even when plans change. Save for tough days, share with an ally, and watch our sensory overload tools next.